No, we're not in Blackpool. Ironically, we're in Hyndburn, Clifton on the Moors to be exact. As you can see from all these small birds in amongst all these larger seagulls, they're breeding like wildfire. It's getting worse and worse and worse by the day, and I'm sorry, but whatever measures Suez have got in place and whatever they're doing with their expert bird contact, it's not bloody working. So I'm sorry, we're going to need some action on this, and pretty damn quick, because this is going to be a public health crisis before long. And whatever money they think that they're saving now is going to cost them a damn sight more if it affects anybody's health. I guarantee that. I mean, this is just shocking. Just look at the state of this. And it's every day, and has been for months and months and months. And for the record, don't think for 1 second that you can fob people like me off, because you can't, and you won't.